Hey folks, here Rachana Ranade here, and welcome to a Monday live stream. I had not there was one blanket which was lying, which was not folded properly, so I thought let me just clear it up from the background. Anyways, um, almost finished my dinner in a super hurry, and then here I am with you all for my view on Nifty live stream. Uh, there were some very important points that I noticed in uh, in the Nifty movement. If you have seen my last Thursday live stream, we had drawn a very nice chart pattern wherein we had, just tried to touch all the highs and all the lows, and in that we had observed something that yes, Nifty is going from a broader range to a narrower range, right? Manoj, yes, I will share the Zoom live link. Wait, before that, let me share this interesting analysis, which I wanted everyone to tell. Yes. Oh my God, Zoom meeting is the talk in the meeting today. I am going to share it. Wait. Acha, I'm going to do this live stream for maximum 15 minutes. Okay, so please don't ask any stock specific query. My title is very clear. It's only and only about Nifty. Okay, once this live stream is over, I'm going to share the Zoom meeting link for all those who are pro investors, and I will be pasting that link in the community tab section. Okay, so everyone has to go to the community tab section, all those who are pro investors, and there you can click the link and join the live stream, which is going to happen at 9 p.m. today. Okay, so just in case if your pro investor membership has not yet been renewed, or if you want to try it once, you have this opportunity to come live on a Zoom call today at 9 p.m. This is going to be my first ever Zoom meeting with all my pro investor members. It's if you ask me the any specific topic, we call that as a fireside chat. Okay, what is fireside chat? It's just like fun discussion. Okay, wherein we all will just try to get to know each other, understand the expertise of any specific pro investor member. So it's going to be a super fun discussion, absolutely informal discussion. So all those who are pro investor members, don't worry, after this stream I'm going to share the link in the community tab, right? So first let's go and understand what is the scenario with Nifty right now. So let me just quickly take you to the Nifty chart. Okay, so those who have been attending my live streams, Thursday live streams especially, we have drawn this triangle. 20th December was the day which we have taken as our lowest low, right? Low, high, higher low, lower high, kind of higher low, but lower high again. In simple words, I hope whatever lower high, higher low, if you have not understood it, that's fine. Aren't we squeezing into a specific range? We are, absolutely, we are squeezing into a range. And see how beautifully this resistance has been honored. This was the time when it almost touched it. This was the time when I drew it formally, properly. It touched the high. Okay, I'm zooming in again. Same to almost touched 3, and today also almost touched 4. So it has been absolutely not able to break this resistance level. Which is this resistance level? The resistance stands somewhere around 17,350. Okay, today's high 17,351. So 17,350, or even if you were to round down, it is 17,300. Okay, super strong make or break kind of a level. Okay, so it will be interesting to see maybe just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 more candles can fit into this. If it doesn't break till then maybe this is the day, 7th of March. Oh, just one day before the Women's Day. Huh? Maybe 8th March. See, this point is 8th March. Maybe market is just trying to bring more speciality for Women's Day, Women's Special. Okay, because that is the day. So you can understand where this is converging, right? It's converging on the 8th of March almost. So maybe on the Women's Day, we are going to get a special treat from the market, wherein it will, or maybe just one day or 2 days before that, wherein we can get a special treat whether Nifty breaks on this side or that side. But there we can see a sharp move. Otherwise, I believe that till March first week roughly, we can see same range bound market. At the lower side, I can see somewhere around 16,800 level. Right now, at least I can see that 16,800 level. And on the upside, I can see 17,000, as I mentioned, if I'm talking about today, 17,300 roughly level. This is as per what? This is as per trend analysis. Okay. Now, okay, trend analysis there, agreed. Any other parameter by which we can check what are the key crucial levels? Fibonacci levels, correct? Fibonacci, what is the pivot level? Pivot level is at what? 17,500 again. Okay. Has it been able to break above 17,500? Nope. Lower level, 16,900. That is the support level. So somewhere between 16,900 to 17,500. That seems to be the range as per pivot points. Okay. I'll close that. What about 50-day moving average? 50-day moving average is at 17,470 again. So do you really feel? So we saw pivot level 17,500. We saw this. Oh my God, 50 Dema again at 17,463. Chalo round off to 17,500. Our trend 17,350. So either if you round down to 17,300 or upper end if you round up, then it will be 17,400. Okay. So 50 Dema is showing me the upper range. Upper range, strong resistance at 17,463. If I round up 17,500. What about 200 Dema? Below our trend line. Okay. So as per this trend line, 16,850 something. So if we round down 16,800, this is coming to 16,750. So this is also telling us somewhere between 16,700 to 800, and on the upper hand 17,400 to 500. On what basis? On closing day basis. Someone had asked me the other day that what do you exactly mean by closing day basis? On closing basis, closing basis means that within the day, right? We call that as intraday. Intraday, it can happen that market goes beyond that point. Intraday, it goes below that point. But I really believe that yes, based on this specific range that we are saying, I'm talking about closing day basis, we should try and see that whether marking is holding the 16,800 level. There's a 200 Dema. 200 Dema is 16,715 whatever. But our level was 16,800. So 16,700 to 16,800. That is a very crucial level. If that is broken, oh my God, then we can see that there can be a big downside. And on the other hand, if 17,500 is broken on the upper end, correct? Then what will be the scenario? 17,500 if it is broken on the upper end, then we can see a big boom on the upside as well. Absolutely possible, right? But right now, looking at what is that? So many people actually ask me what is happening. We are not able to predict where market is going right now. See, that is the classic case of high volatility because of war situations, right? So if I were to quickly tell you what is the VIX right now. India VIX today closed at 22.9, very high, 22.9. Do you know which? So okay, wait. I'll show why. Many people ask me how do you guess that whether 22.9 is high or low? So for those who don't know what is VIX, VIX is volatility index, right? VIX is volatility index. So if you were to ask me how do I understand 22.9 or whatever, 22.3, whatever is the closing of VIX today, is that high volatility or is that low volatility? So for that, logic is very simple. Try to see what happened in the past. If in the past, if it has gone above this level of 22, very, easily, highest number of times it has gone above 22.9, then it means that, okay, 22.9, 23 is very normal. But if it has not gone above that level, then now just have a look at this. I'm just trying to zoom out, okay? This is 22, 23 level, whatever. Again, we saw that on January, 26 November. Okay, so 3 high points, triple high. And before that, it's directly May 2021. So are we witnessing a very high volatility right now? Answer is obviously yes. Higher the volatility, there are going to be maddening swings. And all these swings are completely based on what Mr. Putin is saying. what is the US president saying. uh, I hope you might have seen that in the news that there were certain rumors that maybe the Russian president and US president, they might come together for some talks on how situations can be sorted out or whatever. But then again, news comes up that no, there's no such thing going between these two leaders. Again, market starts to crash down. So as a long term trader, I have talked about this, but as a long term trader, what should you be doing in such scenarios? Am I investing right now? My answer is no, I'm not investing right now. I'm repeating, I am not investing right now. uh, Maybe smaller chunks, those who want to put, you may. But I believe that volatility is really high right now, and if 16.8, something goes wrong, okay, 16,800 may be broken in such scenarios, then why don't you want to sit on cash? You would want to keep your money in your hand, right? So maybe for those who believe that, acha, if war doesn't happen and if market zooms, then what? I want to invest at least one fifth of my whatever desired amount I want to put. That would be fine, but nothing more than one fifth is what I believe right now. Better to sit on cash and invest if market were to go on a lower side. So right now I've barely invested out of my fresh investment, whatever I had decided that if market corrects, this is the X amount that I'm going to invest again. Out of that, barely, not even one fifth I've invested till now. Okay, hardly one fifth I have. I would wait for 16,800 to be tested. If that is broken, markets can see, we can witness lower lows, and in that, then I would want to see the dips and then look out for the recovery and then invest more. Okay. If you ask me what is the scenario that option chain is showing right now, okay, so I'll also quickly show you my screen for option chain as well. So just hold on for a second. I'm sharing my screen. All right. Share screen. All right. So this is the option chain data that you can see. This is 24th February. We are barely 2-3 days away from the expiry. Call side, check this out: 17,500, 97,000 contracts outstanding right now. Okay. And if you see the put side, huge open interest at 17,000. There's 1,26,123. I believe that's a super tight range. Now, on a higher side, 18,000 is 1,79,656. I think this is super crazy. So if 17,500 is broken, then we may witness these levels. But if you ask me, in next just 2 to 3 days, can 17,500 is there a possibility that 17,500 is broken? I believe chances are comparatively lower. Why? Logic is really simple. We saw, as per DEMA, 50 DEMA, 200 DEMA, pivot, as well as option chain analysis, every single analysis shows stiff resistance at 17,500, right? So that is the reason why I believe that 17,500 being taken out, chances are pretty low. Okay. So wait and watch is a very good strategy right now, which a person can, check out in the current scenario. But that is what I believe, that sitting on cash right now makes much more sense. So this was about my quick analysis on Nifty. I hope everyone is aware about two important things. Number one, live stream. I'm going to talk about, I'm going to paste the link in the community tab in another 5 minutes. Okay, so check out the community tab, Pro Investor Members, number one. Number two, I'm taking a live batch, Basics of Stock Market 2.0, and many more points are added in Basics of Stock Market 2.0. Many people were asking me, Rachana, what is, I mean, 1.0, 2.0, it's going to be more or less the same, right? But I believe that I, as a person, I, as an analyst, I, as an investor, I have grown a lot from 2019 to 2022. 3 years of practical exposure. I mean, I had a practical exposure since 2006, but an exposure which Corona gave, an exposure which this war is giving right now, even my level of analysis, I believe, has gone up one shade for sure. So, with all latest examples like how market behaves in war scenarios, how market behaves in election scenarios, all these points were not covered in my Basics of Stock Market 1.0. And I am going to talk about all these points in my Basics of Stock Market 2.0. So, if you are a Puneite, or if you believe that yes, you would want to travel to Pune over a weekend, because that's going to happen on Saturday and Sunday, this Saturday, Sunday, and the next Saturday, Sunday in Pune. So if you want, you can just check out stock market courses, and this is where you can enroll for the courses. By the way, today is the last day for the early bird discount. Tomorrow will be, this early bird discount will not be available. So those who want to enroll for the basics of stock market 2.0, I mean, it's your choice, but surely you can consider enrolling for this course. If you have any doubt about how to enroll, what, I don't think you should face it. It's very much visible on the website. Very, all instructions are very clearly given. So you can surely check that out. And one last quick point for those who don't know, this is where the community tab is seen. This is where I'm going to paste the Zoom link, which starts at 9 o'clock, right? So I hope I've discussed all the points which I wanted to. Very important Nifty levels. Everyone is clear with that. And that is it from my side. I hope you have enjoyed this short and sweet video, 15-16 minutes video barely. Pro Investor members, see you at 9. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.